Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. These new cardigans from Sophia Regards. A zip up, it has that nice oversized collar or mock neck when it's zipped. Bell sleeve, shorter through the front and the back. In the beige, also comes in black, and they're $27. New chambray shirts from Sophia Vergara. These have this smaller collar, full button, has this seam detailing the two flat pockets, button detail on the wrist, scoops in the middle. This is the extra small, so it is more oversized with that seam in the back, and they are going to be $24. New ruche tees from Sophia. So these have that crew neckline, cap sleeve, the little ruching. These are super soft and stretchy with that same kind of fit through the back. Comes in the white, also in black, and they are $10. New poplin tops from Free Assembly. These have that gathered detail around the neckline with this little toggle, full button, 3/4 sleeve with the gathering. Actually, I think they're full sleeve, it's just the extra small. In the white, also comes in navy, and they are going to be $26. Mock neck sweater dresses from Free Assembly. So these have that high neckline, has these gold buttons, they are functioning, sleeveless, the two flat pockets, really good length, it's about knee length. In the red, also comes in navy, and they are $26. New cardigans from Sophia Vergara. So these have that plunging V, the gold buttons fitted through the wrist, also in the body. In the fuchsia, also comes in the white. How pretty does that look? And they're $22. New wide leg time and true cuff denim. So these are high rise. They have the cuff, some distressing. Pockets in the back, just a little bit of distressing through the back, and they're $21.98. Have some new styles of the Valentine sweaters, so hopefully they've uploaded or added the other ones that I shared, but now they have this style. These have that crew neckline. How pretty is the sequin with the love? They have the red with the love, love, love. That's what the back looks like. The material on these are a little different. And then, oh, there's the embroidered. These are the ones that I shared before. The pink with the heart. Everyone loves these. When I did the outfit idea, and I don't think they added them to the website yet, but they have a lot here in the store today. And those are $17.98. New beige denim from Time and True. So these are high rise pockets. They have that contrast kind of trim. It's a little darker beige with the cuffs, and then also on the pockets. And they are going to be $21.98. Also new gray pants to match back to the blazer. So these are from Scoop. They have the side button, side pocket, cargo pocket through the leg, flowy. It's called the utility trouser. These are $32. Right next to that new gray blazer from Scoop. This one has this smaller collar, lapel, one button, two flat pockets, relaxed through the wrist with the buttons, and then it's completely lined on the inside with that same kind of fit with the longer length through the back. These are going to be $38. New scallop tanks from Free Assembly. So these have that trim, scallop on the side, ribs stretchy through the body. These sell out so fast, so don't wait if you're interested. They're $14. In the pink, they also have this red and blue stripe. I also saw online they have the cardigans to match this. New flared pants from No Boundaries. So these have that high rise. They have this stripe on the side. It does have a little bit of a pink tinge. I don't know if it's from the red, like bleeding, but they're the perfect amount of flare. They're so soft and stretchy. I'm only seeing the red and white, and these are going to be $11.98. Mock neck tops from Free Assembly. So these have that high neckline, sleeveless. They're nice stretchy knit through the front and the back with the seam, and the white also comes in navy, and they're $12. New poplin dresses from Free Assembly. These have the small collar, drawstring in the waist. It's full button, flows out with the eyelet trim. Same kind of fit through the back. You could see that elastic goes all the way around. Comes in pink. They also have navy back there, and they are going to be $36. New mock neck sweaters from Scoop. So these have that side rib detailing, the cuff on the wrist, ribbed bottom. We saw the men in the Free Assembly Scoop video. Now it's also in the solid black. and they are going to be $26. New drawstring jeans from Scoop. So these are high rise. They have the whiskering, drawstring, pockets, and nice super soft flowy denim. This is the 2, so you can see they're pretty oversized, and they are going to be $28. New tanks from Scoop. So these have the thicker strap, that Scoop neckline. It's a smoothing material, really good length to the front and the back. In the white, also comes in black, and they're $14. They also have in the same material these plunging VTs. So these have that V neckline, cap sleeve, that same smoothing material. In the white, also comes in black, and they're $15. How cute are these new graphic lace and sweatshirts? I love this one for the Epcot has the Festival of the Arts right now. So this has that crew neckline, soft fleece drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. They also have a new Winnie the Pooh. There's a Stitch, Hello Kitty with the cherries, and then Care Bears, and those are $14.98. Embroidered sweaters from No Boundary. So these have that crew neckline. Embroidered New York has that drop sleeve ribbed wrist. These are so soft and stretchy. Ribbed bottom. They have New York in the gray, Los Angeles in the ivory, and they're $15.98. Also new sweat shorts from No Boundary. So this one has that high rise, the drawstring, raw hem in the light yellow, also comes in gray, and they are $6.98. And then they have these high rise Bermuda. These have that thicker soft fleece with the side pocket in the pink and black, and those are $6.98. And then they also have these little drawstring shorts. So these have an elastic waistband, the drawstring button detail, that's for show, side pocket, raw hem, pockets in the back. In this khaki, there's olive, 2 shades of denim, a lighter and then a mid-tone, and those are $11.98. New mesh skirts from No Boundary. So these have an elastic waistband, they're really stretchy, it's midi length in this teal paisley, also comes in the black with the white polka dots, and they are $11.98. To match, they have these tanks from No Boundary. So they have an adjustable strap corset with the pads. It's nice and stretchy. In that teal, there's also leopard and the polka dot. So the skirt comes in this print, and then also that print, and then this blue one we saw previously. And they're $9.98. They have a few more St. Patrick's Day tees from Way to Celebrate. These have that crew neckline, graphic with Lucky. That's this one. Let the shenanigans begin. Not just Lucky, Blessed. They have a gray new one with the, it says Lucky Mama. We might have saw that one. Cheers. Those are $6.98. And how cute are the sweatshirts? So they have that crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. I'm wearing my Way to Celebrate pink love sweatshirt today. And those are still in stock. I'll have it linked, but it says hold head of gold. Oh no, heart of gold. There's Lucky. I'm cracking myself up. And Shenanigans Squad. How cute with the leopard shamrocks, and those are $11.98. Also new crew neck tees from Scoop. So these have that high neckline, longer sleeve, fitted through the body. This is the medium, so they are smaller fit. In the white, also in the baby blue and the black, and they're $9. We added these sets to the website. There's the blue and the gray. I know when I linked them last time they didn't have them, but they're so nice. They're super soft, stretchy. If you like a good lounge set, don't pass these up because they're very good. Like I said, I wore mine, the black one. I gotta get another set because I wore it to like, there's holes in it. That's how much I wore it, like a couple times a week. But these have that kangaroo pocket. The pants have that cargo. They're nice flowy wide leg, pink, blue, gray, and black, and the 2 pieces are $19.98. They also added to the website these sweatshirts in the extra small to 3XL. They just had the plus size before. So these have that soft fleece drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with a ribbed bottom. I don't know if these match those sweatshirts we saw earlier, but they have both gray and yellow. They might. And those are $13.98. They also have Malibu Racket Club and Palm Springs. Also new dress from Scoop. This one has that smaller collar, the little keyhole fabric covered button, drop sleeve, the button on the wrist, This is the extra, extra large. So it is a shorter length. It's satin fabric with that seam in the back. And they are going to be $26. And not too high. Fitted through the leg, the black floral, the black rose, the leopard, a green zebra. This is also the gray with the planets and the flowers. There's a gray burnout. And then also now this acid wash look. It says high-rise utility legging. These are super soft, fitted through the leg in the purple. I don't see any other colors with those. This one's that soft microfiber. These are $6.98 and those are $8.98. New prints in the long sleeve, way to celebrate tees. So these have that crew neckline, this new graphic in the red. Happy Valentine's with the 3 hearts. I think we saw the red with the leopard. And we saw Bless Mama, and these are $11.98. They also restocked these cable knit hooded sweaters, and they added some new colors. So these have the drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, silver hardware drawstring with the hood. In the beige, there's also this gray, navy. I also picked it up in the black. That was the original color. These are $16.98. So new sweatshirts from Free Assembly. These have that wrap front, drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, little slit, some length in the back, and they're $24. Then to match, they have these sweatpants. These have that elastic waistband, drawstring, the 2 front pockets, tapered leg with the same detail. It's the same French terry with that same kind of fit through the back, and they are $22. New sweaters from Free Assembly. These have the smaller collar, gold buttons, ribbed with the ribbed wrists, and then the same in the back. Only seeing these in the navy, and they're going to be $24. Also new from No Boundaries in the soft stretching material. They're the $5 leggings. They have this new pink bro print, a black with the floral. We saw the cherries, a leopard, an Aztec, a snake skin, and gray. And they also have solid black. New straw hats from No Boundaries. So these are that bucket style in the multicolor. Matches back to this bag I shared. They have aloha and then a stripe. Those are $12.97. Then a new print in this tote that matches back to the hat. So we saw the orange with the pink. Now they have this one, and they're $18.97. New prints in the short sleeve nightgowns from Joyce Spun. So these have that plunging V to short sleeve with the pocket, soft stretchy material, midi length with the slit, in the black with the pink flowers, also gray with the pink stripes. They have this pink with the heart and then the leopard, and those are $12.98. And then also new from Joyce Spun are these pajama tops. These are super soft. They have the smaller collar, full button in the pocket, longer sleeve. They come with the shorts. How cute. Elastic waistband in the shorts, flowy fit with the little boxer thing. Those are on trend. In the pink with the red stripe, that's perfect for Valentine's. Blue with the blue stripe, a floral and a plaid, and the 2 pieces are $21.98. Also have some new prints in the licensed pajamas. How cute is the Betty Boop for Valentine's? These have an elastic waistband. It's a hatchy material, $9.98. So Betty Boop. They have a new Hello Kitty. This ramen noodles is new. A new Bratz. There's Care Bears, another Hello Kitty, that pink is new. Super Mario, Bluey, Bear. These are all women's sizing. There's Skeleton Jack. I love Strawberry Shortcake. And then so lots of cute ones. Also seeing some new prints in these Joyce Spun shorts. So these are usually sold out. They're every store, especially if I go closer to Disney. These are gone, so I should get these today. They have a couple smalls. They have a cherries, the little dogs. This stripe is new, the pink with the red. There's this blue sun moon, that light blue stripe, a floral, a pink plaid. There's a yellow plaid, and those are $7.98. We also have these new lounge bralettes from No Boundaries. So these have this stretchy material that's seamless, kind of, and has the built-in pads. Stretch bottom, scoop in the back in the red. Also comes in a purple, like this one's different, has the thinner straps. It comes in the hot pink, the blue, white, nude, and black, and those are $11.94. And then this with the thinner straps has the hook and eye closure in the purple, pink, and gray, and those are $11.94. Also in like the socks area, they have these new Valentine sets with the socks. It says matches made in heaven with the two. There's a Stitch, Jackpot, Garfield. Those are all $3.94. Sally and Jack. We have the faux Sherpa. I think I need these. They only have extra large. But these are the fleece line leggings. So like when we go anywhere outdoors, right now it's so cold. I don't think they have my size. Those are only $9.97. Also have a new graphic tee. So they have Rocky now. I love that movie. That's $8.98. I think this black Barbie is new. Guns N' Roses. I think that one's new. Also new jogger pants in the men's. These have an elastic waistband. That true jogger bottom with the cactuses, palm trees. That blue palm tree. There's a pineapple and a shark. And it says they're sleep joggers. There's no price. And then solid colors in the beige and blue. New slip-on sneakers from Athletic Works. These have the round toe elastic. I just saw a comment come in today that requesting this new shoe video. We just don't have enough shoes yet for me to do a video, especially of stuff in stock. So these are from Athletic Works. They come in fuchsia, also in the black, and they're $14.98. And then also now are these blue sneakers from Athletic Works. These have the round toe, the lace up in this new blue. They also come in the gray mint, black with the white, black with the black. We saw a few other colors and those are $14.98. But I am going to do a shoe video as soon as they start bringing them out. They also have more new sneakers. So it's good. These are from Avia. They have the round toe. It's a knit. How pretty is that pink color? It's the air in the back. So this style we saw previously in the black and the white, and they're $22.98. And then also now, I guess these look like the Hokas, the blue with the mint, that lift in the back, and those are $22.98. And a new color in these chunky sneakers. So these are made with real leather. They also come in wide width. So they have this new lavender. We saw white, black, and those are $19.98. They also have new from Avia, this blue and silver pair. So these have the round toe, the mesh with the silver trim. It's a huge trend right now, like silver on sneakers, but they're $19.98. I know these also came in like a lavender. New color in these sneakers from No Boundaries. So these have the round toe, the little stripe on the side. How pretty is this blue? These are $19.98. And I think this style is the men's shoe. Yeah, the men's. So if you like this one better, and you can, I think a women's 10 is an 8.5. So if you're a 9 to 10 or 11, then you can get the men's style, but this is the women's. It's the same as that blue and white, and those are also $19.98. Also new little slip-on loafers from Time and True. So these have that round toe, rubber bottom, the elastic side. They had this gray color last year. Now they have the green, and they're only $9.98. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.